Hello, welcome. Do you like to shower, or are you one of them dirty people? What if I told you you could mix showering and listening to music for $7? It's coming right now.
Blowing and I gotta shut it any little thing and then I think it'd be doing because it doesn't matter because I'm gonna dead it.
Alright, today on Geek.com, another beauty, a gem, a must-have. It's a waterproof, wireless, Bluetooth, hands-free mic with a suction cup on the back for your shower or wherever else you might want to put it. It's $5 plus $2 regular shipping, but this item right now has a fast shipping free 5 to 7 day delivery on it. If you hurry, you can pick waterproof sucker Bluetooth, upgrade an enhanced version Bluetooth, which are all free shipping. It comes in white, which does not come with free shipping. Black and green do, yellow does not, blue does, and pink does not. So it's up to you. Pick your color wisely.
What have I done?
Alright. Let me go over the specs of this bad boy for you real quick. This is what it looked like when it showed up.
Dope.
Okay, there's no LEDs in this thing, just so you know. It supports Bluetooth and wireless transmission, built-in microphone, so you can enjoy hands-free calling. High-quality audio decode chip lets you experience perfect sound quality. It's got a built-in charging battery and built-in high-sensitivity microphone for listening to music anywhere. Unique waterproof design, uses it in the bathroom, sand beach, swimming pool, wherever you want. You can put it on the back of an iPad or on the back of a stand or something. It has a special suction cup design that can stick to most flat surfaces, including a desk, a wall, a window. It's great for your car, your bedroom, washroom, kitchen, office, conference, you name it, it can do it. Bluetooth support version 3.0 and above. We got the pink one. Here's what it looks like. Aww. There's the different colors that it comes in. Frequency response is 100 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Output is 3 watts. It's not super powerful, but it's good enough to hear music out of. I mean, what more do you want? Come on, don't be picky.
I want more.
Okay, let's unbox this thing and take a look.
I like where this is going.
Okay. We went with the pink one. It's easy to see. Oh, nice suction cup. Holy crap. Holy crap. Wow, it sticks fast. You didn't even got to lick it before you stick it. Crazy joke, sorry. Yeah. All right. Here's the little DC that you can plug up with this. Nice. All right, let's power it on.
You've got mail.
Oh, hello. How very cool.
A few moments later.
All right, let's pair this up. We'll be right back. We're going to check the sound quality test of this bad boy. It's paired to my Galaxy Samsung SA Plus. And there we go. I mean, really, to be honest with you, $7 for a waterproof speaker, really? And you can take phone calls right here. Play, pause, rewind, fast forward, power button. I mean, really, can you beat it? And the thing sticks to all kinds of crazy stuff. Look. Yeah. It picks up a phone. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss the crazy deals coming up. Tell all your friends. Get them to subscribe too. Hit that like button. Let me know down below. Would you buy this crazy thing? Thanks again for tuning in. More great deals coming. We'll see you soon. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.